Hello students, continuing with coins and notes. In last class we had done till here how can we exchange big notes and get small coins or small notes. In today's class we will learn the change for 2000 rupees note. Now if you want change for 2000 rupees note, for example you want all notes of 20 rupees, all the notes should be of 20 rupees and you are exchanging 2000 rupees, means आप 2000 rupees का नोट एक्सचेंज कर रहे हो और उससे छुट्टा ले रहे हो, पर छुट्टा कितने रुपीस का ले रहे हो? 20 rupees. So all the notes should be of 20 rupees. Now how you are going to do such big numbers? So there is a simple example which you can do. See, write 2000 divide by 20. Divide by 20. So 20 ones are 20. This 0, then this 2 zeros will also come down. So it is or you can see if it is a very big number or you are unable to do it orally, so you can do this type of division, or you can say 20 is stable. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60. So I feel doing this division it becomes easier. So 100 notes of 20 will make 2000. So if he goes for a change, he should get 20 100 rupees note in the exchange of 2000 rupees. Now for 50, okay, similarly for 50 also what we will do, write 2000 directly. 50, 51s are 50, 52s are 100, 53s are 150, 54s are, so 3 numbers I have taken, 54s are is 200. So it is 50. So he will take 40 notes of 50. 40 notes of 50 will make 2000 rupees. Now 100. This is very simple. How many notes you require? 20 notes. 120 rupees note will make 2000. 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 20, 100 threes are 30, 100 fours are 40, 400, 100 fives are 500, 100 six are 600, 100 sevens are 700, 100 eights are 800, 100 nines are 900, 100 tens are 1000. So 2000 you require. So if 1000 you get from 1000 rupees note, so 2000 you will get with 2000 rupees note. Now 500. How many 500 you require for 2000? 4. 500 ones are 500. 500 twos are 1000. 500 threes are 1500. And 5000 fours are 2000. So you require 4 notes of 500. How many notes you will require? 4. Children, this I am just doing to show you that how you will get. See, here they have explained small notes and coins can also be exchanged for single bigger note or coin. See, there is 500 rupees, so you can get 250 in the exchange. Then you can get this way also. You will say 150 rupees and give me change for more 50 rupees. So you can get 150 rupees and then you can take 20 plus 20, which is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. So 50 plus 50 is 100. Similarly, if you require 50 rupees change, so 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, and this is 5 rupees, 4 coins. 4 coins of 5 rupees. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 10, 20. So this will make 50 rupees. Then 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Okay, children. So you can get small notes and coins in the exchange of big notes. Similarly, now how we did this, we are going to do this also. Now see, there is 150 rupees note. Okay, one note of 50 rupees. Now you require 5 rupees notes. Now we want an exchange of 50 rupees, but 5 rupees notes only we require. So what you will do, children, you will say 5's table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7 5 6s are 36. Sorry, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. So how many notes you will require? 10. 10 5 rupees notes will make 50. See, 50 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5. 0. This 0 will come down and you will write 1 0 here. So see, the answer is 10 notes. 10 5 rupees notes will make 50. Now we want exchange of 10 rupees note. So 50 rupees, but you want 10 rupees note only. So 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50. So 5s are 5 notes of 10 rupees. 5 notes of 10 rupees will make 50 rupees. Okay? 5 notes of 10 rupees will make 50 rupees. Now they have told what? Use mix 2 rupees coins and 10 rupees coins. So for example, I am taking 2 rupees coins. 2 rupees coins I am taking 5. So 5 2s are 10. Now how much is left? You require, you have to make 50 rupees exchange, no? So you want exchange for 50 rupees. So 5 2s are 10. So 10 rupees is done. So 40 rupees is left. So 4 10 rupees coin will make 40. 4 10 rupees coin will make 40. This is 10 rupees coin, okay? Will make 40. And see, 5 2s are 10. So this will make exchange of 40 rupees note. 50 rupees note. Now 100 rupees. Now you have to exchange the 100 rupees note. For 100 rupees note, how many 5 rupees note you will require? See children, here it is 50, here it is 100. So how many 5 rupees note you will require? 20. And if you want, you can simply divide it. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. See. Okay, so 20. How many 10 rupees note and 20 rupees note? So it is mixed, you have to use. So I will use 6 10 rupees notes. So it will make 60 and still if you minus 60 rupees from 100, so 40 will be remaining. So 2 20 rupees notes. So 2 20 rupees notes will make 40. So 60 plus 40 is 100. 6 notes, 6 10 rupees note will make 60. 2 40 rupees, 2 20 rupees note will make 40. So total 60 plus 40 is 100 rupees note. Now 20 rupees note. How many 20 rupees note will make 100 rupees? 5 20 rupees notes will make 100 rupees. If you want, you can check it here. 100 divided by 20. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 30, 24s are 40, 24s are 80, 25s are 100. So 5 20 rupees note will make 100. How many 50 rupees note will make 100? 2. 51s are 50, 52s are 100. I have already explained you 2000s bifurcation. Okay, moving to question number 2. Ajay has 9 notes. 9 notes. Okay. Value of the notes is ₹500. Notes used, we don't know, we have to find. So easy method we will do. 1 note of 100 rupees will make 100 rupees, and 8 notes of 50 rupees will make 400 rupees. So 9 notes is equal to 500 rupees. So he will use 100 rupees 1 note and 50 rupees 8 notes. So 8 plus 1 is 9. This is the answer, and this is okay. So 9 notes we have used. Now Swati. Swati has 100 rupees note. Swati has 100 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes, and 20 rupees notes. If the total value of the note is 500, how many notes of each denomination does Swati have? Same, 500 rupees we need bifurcation. Okay. So we have to make a total of 500. So let us use 2 notes of 100 rupees, which will make 200 rupees. 4 notes of 50 rupees, which will make again 200 rupees. Now what is left? 100 rupees is left, because 200 we have done. So 5 notes of 20 rupees will make 100 rupees. 25s are 100. So what is the total? So Swati uses how many notes? 11 notes. Okay. And which notes? 2 notes of 100 rupees means 200 rupees. 4 notes of 50 rupees means 200 rupees. 5 notes of 20 means 100 rupees. See, they have already given the value of the notes, but how many notes she can use to make 500 rupees. She can use 11 notes and two notes of 100, 4 notes of 50, 5 notes of 20. So children, you have to write this way. Okay. Question number 4. Nandu has 6 notes. Nandu has 6 notes. Okay children. Total value. Total value of the notes is 1000 rupees. How many and which notes did they use? Can anybody tell me? Okay. So let us make it simple. One note of 500 rupees will make 500, and 5 notes of 100 will make 500 rupees. So total 6 notes. 500 rupees note made 500 rupees. 5 notes of 100 rupees also make 500 rupees. So total is 1000 rupees. Okay. They have asked us to use 6 notes. So I have used 1 500 rupees note and 5 notes of 100 rupees. Salma has 11 notes. Okay. Salma has how many notes? 11 notes. Okay. If the total value of the note is 1000 rupees. Value of the note is 1000 rupees. Now, value is 1000 rupees, but she has used which notes, children? So let us see. For example, 100 rupees note. Okay. So 100 rupees. How many notes she has used? 9 notes. So it will become so she will use 100 rupees. How many notes, children? 9 notes. So 9 notes of 100 rupees will make 900 rupees. She has the value of 1000 rupees. Okay. She has 1000 rupees with her. Now 2 notes are remaining. So we will use 2 50 rupees notes. So 50 rupees, 2 notes is equal to 100 rupees. 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are 100. So the total will be 1000 rupees, and she has used 11 notes. Okay. 9 plus 2 is 11 notes. Okay children. I hope you have understood. Try and use notes and try and solve this type of sums. Okay children. Thank you. Have a nice day.